Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure you're signed into the correct Google account and Drive is fully synced. This prevents missing files. Next, use Drive's top search bar and type precise keywords. Put phrases in quotes for exact matches, because Drive prioritizes relevance. Once done, apply filters. Documents only, specific owner, folder, or a date range to narrow results quickly. These steps get you immediate candidate documents, so you can inspect content rather than browsing aimlessly. You now dig into each candidate document. Use Ctrl+F or CMD+F to jump to exact phrases inside a doc. Try variations and synonyms because wording often differs. Meanwhile, refine Drive search with advanced operators like owner, type, document before, yimmdd, and after, to filter chronologically. Also inspect comments and suggested edits for answers hidden in discussions, and open version history to recover prior wording or You finish by verifying the answer inside the document. Look for supporting links, citations, or commenter confirmations, because corroboration prevents mistakes. Once confirmed, copy, export, or cite the exact paragraph and note the edit timestamp or version to preserve provenance. If you can't find the answer, make sure you're in the right account and that file permissions allow viewing, then broaden keywords or remove strict filters. This troubleshooting step fixes most missing result problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.